Alright, it's time to keep it real. Here are 3 reasons why you won't make money on YouTube. The first reason you won't make money on YouTube is you didn't do any research. I don't care what niche that you're in, you need to do some sort of research. Now, you could be in the entertainment gossip niche, you could be in the make money online niche, the gambling niche, the weight loss niche. You need to know what's going on in that industry and have an idea of how many people are searching for those topics. Now, there are all kinds of ways that people do research on YouTube. You can use free and paid tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. You could even use the Google search keyword thing that Google got now. There's tons of research tools that you can use. And like I said, a lot of them are free. So you really have no excuse. And a lot of people don't do any research. And that's really hurting you when it comes to making money on YouTube. The second reason you will not make any money on YouTube is inconsistency. All right. This day and age with YouTube, yes, there's so many different ways you can make money from YouTube, right? But the problem is more and more people are getting on YouTube. More and more people are looking at YouTube as a full-time job. They're trying to make it a full-time job. They're going hard with it. So that means you need to go hard too. And a great way to go hard is to be consistent. What consistent means is not necessarily posting 20 videos a day, but even if you can do 1 video a week, you need to do 1 damn video a week no matter what, right? You can even take 1 day out the month, right? And make 4 videos and schedule them out to go out, once a week on the same day and same time if you want to. But consistency is very, very important. If you can post 2 to 3 videos a week in your niche, that's really, really good, right? But at least try to do at least 1 video a week and be consistent. Whatever you're gonna do, be consistent. Because a lot of people be out here, they're like, oh, I'm a YouTuber. I be on YouTube, that's what I do. They'll post 1 video one day, and then they'll post another one the day after. And then they'll post another video 3 weeks later, then another video 2 weeks later. It's just a mess, right? Get some consistency and stick with it. And the third reason why you won't make money on YouTube is impatient, right? This game, like I just said a minute ago, it's changing, right? It's more competition. It's all these little factors that go into play now. You got to have a good thumbnail. You got to have a good title. You got to have a description. You need a long description. You need a short description. You should use hashtags. You got to use the keywords. You don't do keywords. It just goes on and on. So you really need to be patient, right? And learning YouTube, getting in your own rhythm, your own flow, right? And that could take time. Like, don't go into it thinking like, okay, I'm gonna start my channel Monday, and then by Thursday I should be at 10,000 subscribers and monetized, right? There's a chance you can do that. It's very possible that can happen, but do not go in there looking like that, because a lot of people go in thinking that they're just gonna be YouTube stars overnight, and it don't work out like that. And 6 months later, they're not making money. They don't have the subscribers they want. So then they quit, right? Go into it like a business. Treat it like a job that you're trying to work your way up the ranks, right? Be patient. Look at YouTube as a long-term game. Now, I haven't talked about this in past videos, but be excited to know that you are just 1 video away from changing your whole life. That is true, and this happens to a lot of people. So it only takes 1 video to blow up and just, make your YouTube earnings crazy, make your affiliate sales crazy, get your email list popping. So just be aware of that, but just be patient. Just be patient, and it'll come.